Hi there! I'm going to show you how to start your day using Sunsama. The first thing I like to do in the morning is take a quick look at my calendar and see what's on my schedule for today. Looks like I've only got one meeting at 4 p.m. Let's see if there's anything I need to do to prepare for it. I haven't filled in my sprint goals yet. Let's do that real quick. Okay, so I'm prepped for all my meetings. Now to figure out the actual work I want to get done. I always put the most important task at the top of the list and then sort the rest by priority. As I go down the list, if there's something I don't think I'll get to today, I'll bump it back, either to a future day or to my backlog. If there's something important that's not on my list yet, I'll add it. The goal is to keep this list short. Limiting the list to what you can realistically get done in a day makes life a lot less stressful. Once I've gotten a sense for what I want to get done, I'll check out what my teammates have planned. If I notice something I might be able to help with, I'll add a comment and let them know. A lot of my work depends on my teammates, so it's helpful to have context about what everyone's doing. As a final sanity check, I'll take a look at our bugs channel just to make sure there's nothing urgent I need to attend to. Looks like nothing is on fire today. Yes! And with that, I'm ready for the day. Time to get to work. Now it's your turn. What great work will you do today?